We're taking a fresh 50K eval account and trying to hit that profit target within 5 trading days or 1 week.
I'm coming down, bitch, no one talking till I get some sleep. I'm popping 80, can't get the phone, I'm focused, looking for lean. My shorty right strikers, he on fire, think he got a fleet. I'm signing all out, booby trap, felt like a mean Greek. Outfit chrome, plastic gun, need a cheap. V12, AMG, beauty of the beast. I'm a slime, she a slime, we what we need to be.
Alright, what is good, guys? I know it's been an absolute minute. I've been super focused with trading since the new year, and a couple other business opportunities that I've been working on. I'm not going to go into detail, but with that out of the way, you guys already know by the title of this video, we're going to be doing a $50,000 evaluation account challenge. So we're taking a fresh 50K eval account and trying to hit that profit target within 5 trading days or 1 week. Target on the account is going to be $3,000, so we have to make $3,000 within 5 days, which I think is totally obtainable. And one of the main reasons why I'm doing this, I know everyone has been switching over to futures recently and doing these prop accounts, especially with the way the market has been moving. Price action has been god awful. I'm not even gonna lie, it's been pretty shitty. So everyone's been cooking on futures, and I know a lot of you guys are having problems passing your eval accounts. And I think one of the main problems you guys face is your psychology when you're trading these accounts, because you know it's not real money. You're not worried about what setups you're taking. You're over trading, not taking those A+ setups, either getting greedy or cutting profits too quick, whatnot. Enough rambling. It is day one. Challenge starts now. It's Wednesday, March 12th. And let's get on the chart and see if we can find ourselves that first trade. Alright, guys, currently looking at a possible short entry here. Gonna look for a rejection off this. Price comes back up, rejects off this. I'm gonna look to go short here. We'll look to target these set of lows for our TP. Gonna look to take 4, maybe 5 contracts. Keep a tight stop.
Order fill.
Alright, stop here at this high. Insanely tight stop. Looking for a rejection off this, price to continue lower. We are making lower lows as well as lower highs here. So I'm looking for price to come down, continue to push to this downside. We took out this previous high here on the 1 minute. Rejected off that. We also have this previous bearish 1 minute fair value gap that price rejected. Up around 125, we were in 5 micro NQ contracts to get this close below this zone that I was looking for. Boom. Should see price flush here and at least take out this low to continue. Give us another break of structure. Probably shouldn't even be taking 5 contracts, but my goal is to finish passing this eval within a week. I honestly think we'll probably be able to do it quicker than that, but let's see. All right, we're up around 260, not bad. Good rejection off this retest. All right, I had to cuff frame that because there was phone numbers that showed up. But boom, look at that, guys. Up around 350 on this. Beautiful entry off that. What you know. Deep. Yo, I hope my camera's not lagging, which I think it is. Yeah, my computer is absolutely tweaking. I apologize now, but we are balls deep in this trade. Nothing I can do now. I'm gonna have to reset my computer. Alright, so we are risking technically $110 here. I mean, I'm gonna probably move my stops to break even at this point. just to make sure we don't go into any drawdown here, as this is the first trade on this account. With a possibility to make 700 bucks here. Here, price should continue to reject off this. I want to go over after why I took this trade as well, even though it is PM session. I woke up late, didn't trade. New York this morning. I don't know, the market's been so whack lately, I'm sure you guys know. So honestly, if anything, if you guys are able to pass your evals, or you're able to stay profitable in market conditions like this, when that good market sentiment comes back, bro, you guys are going to be chilling. Trust. Because this is one of the toughest markets I've seen. Not even that tough, honestly. The market's been pretty well with, or been doing pretty well with respecting a lot of levels. It's just entries I feel like are a lot tougher right now, and that's like one of the most crucial parts of your trade. So there's that first level tapped. Let's see if we have a little bit of extra selling pressure here to get us down to that TP. Could honestly trim 2 there and then let 3 ride and just move stops, which is what I'll probably wind up doing, just because I have a big goal and odds.
Order filled.
All right, bang, guys. You saw that. Order filled on 2. I'm going to let 3 contracts. Actually, we probably could just cook one more here. Let's see if price winds up sweeping this or we continue to push lower. Look at that. Beautiful ass entry off that, guys. It literally doesn't get any better than that. That's why you stay patient through that. Alright, I think we're good. I had to restart my computer, guys. My computer was tweaking and I wound up, it like literally just crashed on me. I don't know what happened, but look at these. Look at these. We are up 800 on these 3 remaining contracts, and we are just continuing to dump here. I might trim 2 more here. We're starting to buy this back up a little bit. Let's trim 1 more off here.
Order filled.
So we have 2 left. All right, I'm going to update you guys whether or not we wind up getting this stop, or wind up. I will update you whether or not this stop, trailing stop, winds up getting hit, or market continues to flush, and I'm going to just continue to hold these contracts until Narnia. All right, see you guys in probably a second. All right, guys, so we did wind up getting stopped out on that last contract right here, or those last 2 contracts at that trailing stop. We finished the day off up around $851, which is not bad. Yeah, I'll do a quick trade breakdown for you guys, though. Show you guys why I took this trade. I mean, I think I already kind of explained it a little bit while we were in the actual trade. So let's start off here. We get that range. We see a break out of this high. So I'm saying a lot of ums, bro. My brain's like all over the place. We get a break out of this high here at 19,715, which creates this SMT between NQ and ES, as you can see here. Now, once we sweep that high, we get a strong rejection candle off of that, and you see some consolidation start to form where we create this little zone here. Price gets a strong move below. We get that manipulation candle back into this little zone here, this breaker zone. We take our entry right here, and we see price flush. Pretty simple. I had a super tight stop on these as well. We had our stop set at that high, and it's pretty simple. I mean, we created this 1 minute fair value here, created this imbalance where price came back up. Perfect reject off that, and then look at that straight flush to the downside. We ended up hitting our first TP. I trimmed another contract. Actually, I think I trimmed another one down here. Or we trimmed 2 at our first TP. I trimmed 1 here, yeah, because we had 5, and then the last 2 remaining got wicked out right here for like 270 in profit. I ended up moving it back down once we rejected off this. I moved it back down off this to this level here, which we ended up getting pushed back into anyway. And let's see, hopefully maybe we can finish this. Today is Wednesday. I mean, I'm not going to push any limits, obviously. We got a week, so I'm giving myself 5 trading days to finish this count, to complete the little, I guess, challenge, if you will. But maybe we can even complete it by the end of this week, depending on how our trades go the rest of the week. But yeah, if you guys got questions about anything or the trade I took, drop them down below. I will catch you guys tomorrow for day 2. Peace.